Okay, so first of all, we're going to start off really basic. Introduce you to the equipment that you're going to need if you want to do some wiggity bombing yourself. Os da chi'n neud dim bach o hyn eich hunan, mae rhaid chi gael dim bach o offer. Mynd i cyflwyno eich fan. First of all, most important thing is the microphone. What we call this is a dynamic microphone. This one in particular is an SM58, which is industry standard. Mae pawb sy'n beatboxer fel arfer yn gwybod amdan hyn, everyone at beatboxers knows about these. SM58's Shure. So yeah, good. They got a wicked chunky sound, which is always good for beatboxing. My mic then is running into what we call a mixer, just a nice easy conventional mixer, 4-channel, quite simple. It's got 3-band EQ. The EQ is quite important for when you're beatboxing. Mae'n eitha pwysig dall y dalltins gyda EQ, fel maen nhw'n dweud. And the first thing that we need to really understand is the bottom end, because the bottom end is really important when you beatbox. So if I do a beat like this, it sounds okay, but you can make it sound bigger by adjusting the bottom end, which is the low band EQ. Yeah. So watch as I do the beat, I'll turn it up slowly. Wedyn, os da chi'n gwrando allan am y sŵn, if you listen out to the sound, you can hear it. Yeah, so there's quite a big difference. So my setting, usually my personal preference, my top and mid EQs are just above halfway, and my bottom end usually is about 3/4, 3 o'clock, up to about 5-ish, but you don't want it to go too high because you will get feedback depending on the PA. Felly, my mixer yn pwysig, so a mixer is very important. I then run from the mixer into my powered speaker. This one in particular, as I mentioned, is powered, which means there's an amp built into the back. If you don't have a powered speaker, be ydych chi angen defnyddio ydy just speaker normal gyda amp. Yeah, what you'll need is just your average passive speaker with an amp. So you go from the mixer to the amp to the speaker. Yeah, and that's all you'll need basically. I've only got one speaker, you can use two. Mae'n hollol fyny chi. Felly hwnna di'r basic setup, that's the basic setup of what you'll need in order to go wiggy with your mouth.